Hello Year 2. So today I want you to watch my screen and follow the arrow as I read. It's Friday the 22nd of January 2021. Our learning question is, can I draw pictograms and block diagrams? You should be getting really good at this now, and I'd like you to work a bit more independently. So how did you get on yesterday? And here are the answers. So check that your pictogram from yesterday, you've coloured in the same colours that I have, okay? Now the answer to the extra question. It was 4 more children chose purple than yellow. Did you get that correct? So here's the purple block, here's the yellow block, and if we look, we can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 more children chose purple than yellow. Well done if you got that correct. Right, in today's pictograms, one circle has a value of 5. So if we look at the red circles, there are 2. So what's the total? That's right, 10. 5, 10. Let's look at the orange circles now. There are 4 of them. If they each have a value of 5, what's the total? Do you know? That's right, it's 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. What about the purple circles? Each have a value of 5. There are 6 of them. Do you know what 6 fives make? Let's count to check. 5, 10, 15. Well done, it was 30. And finally, the blue circles. Now there are lots of them, so let's just start at the beginning and count up in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. The total of the blue circles is 50. Now today we're going back to our colourful charts. And remember, this pictogram shows favourite colours in class 2. And the favourite colours are, read them for me. Can't hear you. Well done. And today a circle equals 5 children. And I'm going to show you how to do the first row of the pictogram. Let's look at the tally chart. I can see that 5, 10 children, I'm going to write that down, 10 children said yellow was their favourite colour. So I've got to represent that on the pictogram. So with my yellow pen, I'm going to colour one circle, that's 5, and another circle makes 10. 5, 10. So my tally chart, let's get back to my arrow. My tally chart says 10 and my pictogram shows 10, okay? And if you look carefully, you'll see I've got 2 circles coloured in and 2 groups of 5 tally. What do you notice? 2 tallies, 2 circles. That's right, they're the same. I wonder if that will be the same for the other rows, okay? So for each row, count the tallies, represent on the pictogram, okay? Now, you've got to then represent that data on a block diagram, okay? Now, here is the yellow block. Can you remember how many children said yellow was their favourite colour? That's right, it was 10. So we need to write, colour in 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! What's going on? There's only 7 squares. Oh, look, can you see the scale? Each little square has a value of 5, so this scale goes up in 5s. So if I want to show that 10 children chose yellow, I'm going to have to colour in 5, 10, 2 squares. I'm going to do that really quickly now. You must do it neatly, please. Difficult to do with my mouse. Okay, so now my block diagram shows that 10 children said yellow was their favourite colour. You've got to do each block using the tally chart. Okay, so when you've done your block diagram, you've got some questions, some sentences to complete. Children chose yellow and red. So you will count the yellow block and you will count the red block. Remember to count in fives and you'd write your answer there. You've got a most popular question, not going to help you with that. A least popular question, not going to help you with that. And you've got 2 how many more questions. I hope you can do those independently now. Right, so complete your pictogram, complete your block diagram, do all the questions, and then email us clear pictures of your work to teachersyear2@birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Have a great weekend, everyone. Stay safe.